not fucking take off. There was a cop over there.
I'm not. That's what I'm waiting. What's going on, guys? Before we get too far, here doing some work to the new old car. Basically doing some Hday prep, seeing if I could get it ready before Hday, trying to put a fresh coat of paint on it. It got a lot of work that it needs, like a lot of work. You need axles, brakes, everything. Basically the inside is fucked up, suspension fucked up, steering fucked up. Basically I'm in over my head, but yeah, this is the new Hday prep. I'm not gonna have time to finish the motor that I was working on. It's still sitting there. I ain't really do too much to it, so I got this one, and now I'm trying to get it ready for Hday. So right now I'm just doing some sanding and trying to button up a few stuff on it. Gonna throw the axles in and see if I could get it ready, man. So yeah, that's all I'm doing for today. So yeah, let me continue. I just figured out just why not make a video. I wasn't at first, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just make a video now. So I am about to continue doing what I was doing to this thing. I just gotta find somewhere to set up the camera. I don't have my tripod. Ah, shit. Alright guys, so this is what's going on. Took the front bumper off, the back bumper. This is what's in it. It's the LS with a turbo on it. Trying to sand it down as much as possible. That's my goal for today. Just sand down as much of it as I can. So I took the back bumper off, front bumper. Hopefully my job won't say anything, because it's gonna be parked outside of my job, which I don't really care. But yeah, that's what I got for the most part. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and sand as much as I can before it's time for me to get out of here. And my phone is dying, so I'm not gonna be able to record the whole process as I wanted to. So I'm just gonna give y'all updates every now and then. So I'm about to put the phone back on the charger so I can get some charge, and then I'll just give y'all updates.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.